I'm going to do a real quick efficiency test on the WE G17 Glock 17. Just purchased this recently, you see, check the review on my channel. And we'll just do the test real quick now. So that was 72. I did actually manage to get 125 earlier, but that was 72 on that one mag. Yep, definitely empty. So 72 I got on that one. Obviously, well, I assume it's dependent on the weather as well. It was a bit nicer earlier on when I managed to get 125. Yeah, but 72, that's not bad at all. Holds 24 rounds, so that's almost three mags, you know. So not bad at all. Do the second efficiency test now. Seems the one I did earlier was a 72. I did one when I first got the gun that was 125, so seems to be a bit of a difference here. Just filled up the mag full of gas. So let's do this. $79. So 72 to 79, it's obviously the better result. I don't know how I got 125 previously. If the weather's anything to do with it, it was really warm earlier. Might have performed slightly better. The efficiency might have been a little bit greater. But yeah, 72 to 79 is not bad at all. And that mag is absolutely freezing cold right now. Lovely.